I'm going to show you a very quick and effective way to go directly from thought to blogs in a matter of seconds with the help of ChatGPT and some other free tools. The reason why this is so good is today AI content is written every single second out there. And what's starting to rank really well is original content that you can only come up with because of your experience and whatnot. The only problem is that, well, that takes time to write and you might not have that time. The thing is, using the right AI tools in the right sequence, you can help AI write this stuff for you very, very easily. Not only that, but it follows the EEAT guidelines, which is guidelines that Google uses to rank your website. But original content is ranking really, really well. Anyway, let's get straight to it. The first tool that you're going to need is Otter AI. Otter AI is a text-to-speech tool. Google Docs actually has this inbuilt, but I find Otter AI is extremely reliable to use. So I would recommend you get a free account. The free account gives you like 300 minutes. And all you do is you just literally speak to it. For example, we're going to start a new recording here. I'm going to click record once you create an account, new recording. And you simply just speak your thoughts out. So I want you to speak what it is that you want to write a blog about. It might be your expertise in training a dog in a new method or whatever it is that you do. You just need to speak about it as much as you can, and this will transcribe it for you. You can see here that it's transcribed everything for me. Now, I've done this previously to get ready for this video here. And you can see here that it's about a big kind of sentence that I spoke about, this same thing that we're speaking about now, which is that original content really helps us rank really well. The next thing that you're going to do is not just go straight to ChatGPT and ask it to turn this to a blog, but we're going to get ChatGPT ready, because the way that ChatGPT writes by itself tends to be a little bit repetitive and you want to give it a little pizzazz. You're going to use this prompt, which is a Sparkle prompt. It turns it into a very, very good copywriter. Don't worry, I'll leave a copy to this prompt in the description of this video below. You're going to copy and paste the prompt first of all. You can use ChatGPT, you can use Gemini. It works on both of these tools. And now it's created a character which writes with a little bit of flair and very good, which is the way that I like to write. If it's not your thing, don't worry, but this is still a very good content copywriter prompt that I would use. Then I would go and grab my notes and paste them here. Before pressing enter, I've actually got another set of prompts which you can have access to as well, and we'll read them out accordingly. The prompt after the original copywriter Sparkle prompt that we gave it is, you're going to take the following voice notes, my original thoughts, and help me create it into a well-structured professional blog to my website. The first step is for you to read the voice notes and then create a blog structure from the voice notes. Then we'll go one by one and writing each section of the blog. At the end of the blog, I want you to write an FAQ section about it. I want the blog to be at least 1,500 words in length. Now we hit enter. The reason why it's really good for you to do this is you're giving us some background, you're defining the output, which is very important as well. Now you can see that it's already creating the structure for me. And I'm going to return to the video once it's created the structure and show you the following steps that you need to do. Beautiful. So now I have got my blog title, the introduction, and the whole structure that I'm pretty happy about. If you're not happy, you can ask it to change it. And I'm going to now go section by section and ask it to write the blog. I find that if you ask it to tell it to write the whole thing in the one go, gets a little bit confused and the word length is quite short. Not that this technically really matters, yeah? Blogs and the way that it's going to rank is all about the quality of the content, not the length of the content. But we're just going to go one by one. So I'm going to ask it to be very simple here and go now write the following section of the blog, for example. And now it's going to start writing those two sections that I asked it to write. The next thing to do is simply copy and paste all of the output into a new Google Doc, which will start now. And I'm just going to read the first sentence so you can decide with yourself if you like the way that it's writing or not. For example, introduction. In an era dominated by AI, the significance of original content is the realm of SEO cannot be overstated. Search engines, with their increasing sophisticated algorithms, are now more adept at identifying and rewarding content that offers unique value to its audience. This shift underscores the importance of originality as the key determinant in ranking on search engine result pages. I think that's pretty good. And that's only the first couple of sections of it. I'm going to copy and paste that into my new Google Doc. And then I'm going to go back to my ChatGPT and see which sections did I just do. I did those ones, and I'm going to go now the next 3 sections. And the prompt is really easy. It's just now write the following sections. I copied and pasted. So you just want to reiterate what you mean by the following sections. I'm going to go and copy and paste the whole blog, and then I'm going to show you the word count and what it looks like, and then what I think of it. So now I have my whole blog written out, and I just want to show you the word count here. Tools, we're going to go word count, and we've got 1,581 words. That's pretty close, even a little bit more, which is fantastic. Again, it's not the quantity, but the quality, but I think the quality is pretty good. And now all I need to do is just format it accordingly with H1, H2s, which I can put into the prompt, but I just wanted to show you this really cool tool. And now I've gone from my thoughts, because I've spoken them out, to a well-structured and formatted blog in a matter of minutes, right? The next thing that I think is really cool that you can do is actually build a whole automated workflow for this, where you drop the audio file into a Google Drive folder, and then this process gets automatically done, and even a version of this uploaded to LinkedIn and to your website. If you want me to go through that step-by-step guide, just leave it in the comments below, and I'm happy to go through that. So I would encourage you to play with these tools, because original content works really well. As it does in social media, it does the same thing for SEO. It just works really well. If you want to learn more about AI-powered SEO and cool strategies like this, I have a whole masterclass on this. You can find more information in the description below. If you want to see any other type of videos like this, just leave it in the comments and I'll get to it. Peace. Thanks for watching.